الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر
In 1875, Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Murtaza Sahib, the father of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wassalam, in his last days of life, decided to build a Jame mosque in Qadian. In the center of Qadian, he bought a piece of elevated land and started the construction of the mosque. The mosque was named Aqsa Mosque. This work was being done according to the secret plans of Allah the Almighty, but some fools of that time thought it to be an unnecessary work. They did not know that one day in this unknown village, the candle of guidance was to lit with the blessings of Allah the Almighty, the light of which was to spread to the corners of the earth. The construction of Aqsa Mosque started in last days of the year 1875 and in June 1876 was completed. The work of the mosque was almost complete when Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Murtaza Sahib passed away. The promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam said, "My father did this will that he should be buried in any corner of the mosque so that he could be hearing the name of Allah the One, and so that it might be a reason of his forgiveness. So after his demise, according to his will, he was buried in the courtyard of the mosque, exactly where he stood and marked. When this Jame mosque was built in Qadian, it was a splendid mosque. The dome of the mosque was on the pattern of Mughaliya way of construction. On all four corners of the mosque, minarets were built, which were enhancing the beauty of the mosque. Inside the mosque, 200 people could pray at a time. In 1889, when the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat was established, many people started coming to Qadian, and this mosque could not accommodate all the people. So in 1900, it became necessary to extend the courtyard in east direction, so much so that the grave also came in the courtyard of the mosque. With this extension, 2,000 worshippers could pray here at a time. Minaratul Masih is also in the courtyard of this mosque, the foundation of which was laid in the time of the promised Messiah and Imam Mahdi alayhi salatu wasalam himself, and was completed in the time of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih II Raziyallahu Anhu in December 1915. One of the significances of this mosque is that the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam was offering his 5 daily prayers in this mosque, especially before the construction of Mubarak Mosque Qadian. On 11th April 1900, under the commandment of Allah the Almighty, the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam delivered an extemporary sermon in Arabic for Eidul Adhiya in this mosque. It was his first speech in Arabic. This sermon is known in Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat as Khutbah Ilhamiyya, revealed sermon. The first ever Jalsa Salana was also held in this very mosque in 1991. After the demise of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, under the leadership of Khilafat, the Jamaat continued to spread and progress. So in 1910, during the time of the first Khalifa, Hazrat Hakim Maulvi Nuruddin Sahib radiyallahu anhu, this mosque was extended once again, and yet for the third time it was extended in 1938 in the time of the second Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad Sahib radiyallahu anhu. This time it was extended towards west. For the first time, on 7th January 1938, for Friday sermon, the loudspeaker was used in this mosque. And in 1944, Hazrat Khalifatul Masih II Raziyallahu Anhu claimed to be the Muslih Maud, the promised reformer in this mosque. When Hazrat Mirza Tahir Ahmad Sahib Rahimahullah Ta'ala, the fourth caliph of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, in 1991 came to Qadian, he was praying his 5 daily prayers in this mosque. And in this mosque, he was attending Majalis-e-Irfan, question and answer sessions. 2005 is the year when Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib, the fifth Khalifa of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, came to Qadian. On 16th December 2005, he delivered the Friday sermon from this mosque, and this sermon was broadcasted live on MTA. This was the first historic time when the sermon of a Khalifa was broadcasted live from Qadian and was watched all over the world. In 2008, on the occasion of 100 years Jubilee celebrations of Khilafat-e-Ahmadiyya, the extension of the mosque was done for the fourth time. Under the instructions of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasir al-Aziz, with the help of Ahmadi experts, the work to restore the old part of the mosque started. All its foundations were strengthened by pile foundation, and at the part which was joined with courtyard, new 3-story block was constructed. The building which was demolished to construct this block was built by an opponent in the time of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam. The promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam said about this building, "A time will come when this building will become a part of the mosque." Thus, this promise of Allah the Almighty was fulfilled in the time of Khilafat-e-Khamisa. This 3-story block has 3 halls, and each hall is 7,200 square feet. These huge halls are constructed with special structural engineering technique. Because of it, there are no pillars in the halls. With this new block, the work of extension of basement was also done. The construction of new block and the extension of basement was completed in December 2010. The roof of that part of the mosque, which was made in Khilafat-e-Saniya, was made with iron girders and timber. It became weak. That is why this part of the mosque was also renovated. According to the instruction of Hazrat Khalifatul Masih V, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, on the other side of the mosque also, the domes are made, and the front elevation of all part of the mosque was also changed, and the arches were made. In the middle of the mosque, huge entrance door was made, on which a dome and minarets were constructed. Today, Aqsa Mosque Qadian has become a very great and beautiful mosque, and from it the message of the unity of Allah is being preached. This mosque has become a manifest sign of the truthfulness of the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam. Allah the Almighty revealed to the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam, Wase Makanaka. According to this revelation, when the promised Messiah alayhi salatu wasalam extended this Aqsa mosque in 1900, he said, with the blessing and bounty of Allah the Almighty, the mosque of Qadian, which my father got constructed between two bazaars on an elevated land, now for the grandeur of Islam is extended immensely.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha